So, let's start from the very beginning on the left side of our chart. See how the prices are steadily climbing upward. We call this an uptrend. It simply means the market is full of positive energy, and buyers are happily pushing prices higher. But eventually, the price hits a ceiling and pauses. This ceiling is called resistance. Even though it hits a wall, the buyers refuse to give up. Every time the price dips, they step in earlier and push it back up, creating this beautiful pattern called an ascending triangle. Now here comes the magic moment. When the price finally bursts through that ceiling, we call it a breakout. But smart traders don't just rush in blindly. They patiently wait for the price to come back down and gently touch that old ceiling again. This is called a retest. Think of it as the market's way of double, checking its footing before moving higher. This is your safest and best entry point. But just like the changing seasons in nature, the market mood shifts too. After a peak, when the price tries to bounce back up but fails to cross the previous high, it forms a lower high. This is the market whispering a gentle warning to you, hey, the buyers are losing their stamina. It's time to be careful. Soon after, the price breaks below the main floor and starts moving sideways inside a tight box. This phase is called consolidation, where the market takes a little breather to decide its next big move. And then boom. A strong red candle crashes straight through the floor. That's our strong breakout to the downside. This triggers a strong move down, sending the prices tumbling. You see, my friends, trading isn't about memorizing complex formulas. It's about listening to the story the charts are trying to tell us. If this simple breakdown brought a smile to your face and made you excited to learn more, please give this video a big like and share it with your friends. Let's grow, learn, succeed together.